If you haven't already read it, make sure to check out the book. Happy Easter, Curious George! This book goes well with this activity, as George, the curious monkey, dyes and decorates his own eggs for Easter. It's a great way to make a connection to a good book and to extend your learning. Hello, my adventurer friends! How are we all doing today? I am so excited for our 5-minute learning adventure today, because today we will be decorating Easter eggs! Yes! Spring is in the air and Easter is upon us. And what better way to help us get ready than to decorate this popular Easter symbol, the egg. Alright, we're going to need a few materials for this activity. So make sure you have hard-boiled eggs, crayons, watercolor paint, a paintbrush, water, and paper towels, just in case. Let's get started. First, let's use our crayons to make patterns and designs on the eggs. You can draw anything: spring flowers, stripes, zigzags, or even try to make a color or a size repeating pattern, like this blue and red pattern, or this big flower and little flower. Be as creative as you can, but just make sure not to press too hard or the egg might crack. Also, don't color in the whole egg. You want to leave some space for the paint. When you are done decorating with crayons, it's time for the watercolor. We are using watercolors so that the paint does not stick to the crayon pattern. See, the crayons are made from wax, so the water doesn't stick to it, but it will stick to the egg. This way, you will be able to see both your crayon design and the paint on top. To make it extra bright, try using different colors. There, all finished! Aren't they beautiful? Almost ready for our Easter hunt. We just have to let them dry, and then we'll be all set. How did yours turn out? All right, now let's think about it. Let's look at some questions that will help you reflect on your learning today. When you were painting your egg, did any of the colors mix together to make a new color? Can you mix any other colors to get a new color? Now, how does this symbolize new life, you ask? Well, what comes out of the egg? Now that you know a little bit more about why eggs are an important symbol for Easter, let's get decorating!